how to kill Chargers fast and easily in Helldivers too. Hello everyone, it's Morgan from Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. Are you tired of those rampaging Chargers ruining your day? Fear not. In this quick guide, we'll guide you on how you can bring down those behemoths fast and easily. First thing first, search for the weak spot. Chargers may look tough, but they do have a secret vulnerability: their front legs. These armored limbs protect their weak spot. Now there are two main ways to crack that armor. Number 1, by using railgun. Equip the railgun and switch it to safe mode. Hold the fire button, charge a shot, and aim for the front leg. 2 well-placed hits should shatter the armor. Number 2, using recoilless rifle. This powerhouse weapon can take down the armor in one shot, but it's a bit trickier to aim. Now, finally delivering the final blow. Once the armor is gone, switch to your favorite high-damage weapon like a submachine gun or shotgun. Focus your fire on the exposed leg. It's a much easier target than the back. For an extra punch, consider using stratagems. The rover with its laser can attack a straight Charger's leg, or the orbital strikes can deal massive damage. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be taking down Chargers like a pro. Remember, teamwork is key. Coordinate with your squad to focus fire and bring these brutes down quickly. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.